it's really deep round here. It's cold though, the wind's gone, which is great.
Yeah. It's so cold.
Madison! Madison! Don't you dare!
She's up in the tail.
So she went running out there, I'm not joking, the height she got. And I'm running after her and then she's running away from me, so I beat her up. She's bloody saying, well, I just grabbed the collar trying to drag her back in.
Well, he's a dumbass. We're coming here and he doesn't want to get in the car again. It's like, what is wrong with you? Of course I took the car, not the truck, so I don't know what he's doing.
Come on, jump on the snowdrift. Cat! Come on! Baby! Get up! Come on!
There you go. He's like, she won't let me up. Kai, come! Sheba! Kai, come here! Good boy, good girl. There we go. Get in that snowdrift.